For the next DIY, I'm going to use one of these $3 lanterns from Dollar Tree. I think these are so cool. I don't think I've ever seen these before. They're like wood and black, and I thought we could make this into a fun solar lantern for spring. So, Dollar Tree has these really pretty eucalyptuses right now with like pink tops on them. And so I thought those would be pretty to actually put down into the lantern because we're going to light it from the top. So, when it's lit up, I want something to be lit up in there, right? And so I thought eucalyptus would be perfect. I found these with like pink tops and yellow tops. I think they're so pretty. I just cut them down, the pink parts, to make sure they're not too tall, and close my lantern. For the solar light, I'm using a Dollar Tree solar light. And I was trying to find a black one, but you know what? This is kind of black. We're going to make it work. Now, this does have a hanger here at the top, which I'm going to remove. You don't have to because you could just let it hang down on one side. I wanted it removed, but it was strong. It was a little difficult to get that off there, but I stuck with it. Now, for the solar light, I want that to go in like that and light up everything using that light that's attached to it. And even though it's a circle in a square, I think we can make this work. I just popped the black metallic finish off of that just to leave the black plastic sides. I'm fine with that. And I put hot glue all around the top of the lantern. And I thought this would be a really fun solar way to do this lantern. It's a really nice lantern because it's well made out of wood. It opens and closes. It has a little tab that keeps it closed. Now, to kind of blend it from the circle to the square shape and give me an area to be able to decorate a little bit more for spring, I decided to use rope. So, my leftover scrap rope, I just take and hot glue. This is also going to help keep that solar light on there by gluing to both of them. But I'm going to continue that rope all the way down and cover most of the metal top of this lantern. I just thought it would be a fun way to decorate that, but it's totally optional. You could leave that part off if you wanted to. I wanted to decorate this for spring, and I was a little intimidated by all the black colors on it that I didn't think I could make it look very pretty for spring. But with the pink eucalyptus, and we're going to add some pink flowers to the rope, it really, I think, turned out with a fun spring influence without having to take it all apart and painting everything. So I have a fun part here. I was burning off the fuzzies and I turned it around. I totally could not see this little fire brewing. Do you see that? I almost walked away to go get my flowers. I'm so glad that I smelled something burning. I could have had my garage on fire. That would have been bad. So I found these beautiful spring flowers. Every time I think I have enough flowers, I go to Dollar Tree. They have pretty ones. They're camellia and they have light pink and white. So I want to like make it look a little bit random. So I just cut the stems off to make them shorter and attach like a larger pink one with a white one next to it that's a little bit smaller in size. And I do want to wrap that around the sides a little bit too. So I do a pink one over here, just raising it up a little bit, and a pink one here on the other side. A fun spring touch to this lantern. And then I thought maybe I needed one more piece of eucalyptus inside to fill out my lantern. And then the solar light on top will light it up without a candle or anything out there. So I think that's really cool. And like some of the other ones, it's really pretty during the day, which I love. And then a fun surprise at night when it lights up all on its own.